It is our pleasure to cordially invite you to the upcoming 16th annual meeting of the Saudi Association of Neurological Surgery, SANS. The Department of Neurosurgery at King Abdulaziz Medical City, National Guard Health Affairs, Riyadh will be honoured to host this important annual national event. The meeting slogan for this year is Back to Life, as we all hope that the bad era of COVID-19 pandemic is over. We are going to meet in person in Riyadh, March 25th to 27th, 2022. March in Riyadh is just ideal. We recognize the continued concern of the coronavirus, COVID-19 pandemic. The health, safety and well-being of our members and attendees are of paramount importance and concern. All participants planning to attend the in-person meeting in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia must be vaccinated, including speakers, guests and exhibitors. In-person participation will benefit most from the high level of interaction and will get the opportunity to chat in person with the speakers, chairpersons and other attendees. Remote participation offers participants to attend through the virtual platform. As part of the hybrid registration, delegates will have access to our virtual platform. To get started, kindly follow the steps for a quick and easy process of virtual platform sign-in. Open the link provided on the registration email sent to you prior, and it will direct you to the virtual conference user login portal. Kindly enter your email address and password provided to you on your received registration email. In case you have forgotten your password, you may click on the Forgot Password button and you will receive an email to reset your password. In case you have not registered yet, kindly click on the button for Register Now. Lobby. Once you have signed in, you will be directed to the main lobby. This will be your ideal starting point. You may edit your profile by clicking on the profile icon on the upper right corner and the notification bell icon beside the profile icon, which serves as the notification for the latest announcement of the virtual conference. While zooming in all tabs, you can switch between halls with just one click on the lobby or by clicking the tabs located at the upper side of your dashboard without any hassle or long walks. Auditorium. Here, in the auditorium, you will attend live sessions in webinar format. Please take note of the following upon attending a session. Click this Maximize icon to view in full screen and make sure to join audio by computer by clicking the headphones icon. You may click the Q&A type box by clicking the Q&A icon to ask questions related to the ongoing session, and the moderator will assist you. Click the Leave Webinar button to leave the session. Agenda. You will find the agenda according to the hall. When you click the Join Session button, it will automatically take you to the live session, and down here is a button where you may add to your Google Calendar to pin on your schedule and keep you notified. Abstract Hall. As for the Abstract Hall, you may view the abstracts by clicking the PDF icon located at the right side of the screen and switch between pages to view more of the submitted abstracts by clicking the Next Page icon. Just click on the X button for leaving the abstract page. Exhibit Hall. In this unique virtual exhibition hall, our industry partners will showcase the latest devices, innovations and interventional therapies. Even the booth is designed to look realistic and includes documents, videos, individual branding, and contacts. When you click the booth, you may check their services provided in the description box, and you can add their documents or videos to your virtual bag and send it to your email. You will also have the opportunity to interact with our industry partners by asking live questions by joining the Start Chat button. Information Desk. Here in the Information Desk, type your questions and get your answers in real time from our online representatives. Speakers Lounge. This lounge is only dedicated for the speakers and moderators. Networking Lounge. Lastly, the Networking Lounge is dedicated for live chats through group and private chat rooms with other participants. Once again, we are excited to having you all in Riyadh for our in-person 2022 SANS annual meeting to celebrate our society and announce it loudly that we are all back to life. Till then, please stay safe.